Sway is a presentation program that offers you an alternative way to present material that you otherwise might present in PowerPoint or in Prezi. Like Prezi, the program resides in the cloud, and you can use a computer or a mobile device to put together some dynamic presentations. Its power is primarily visual. It allows you to add images and text to create formats that look like something you might see on Flipboard on an iPad. Let's look at some of the strengths of Sway. First, Sway has an easy-to-use interface. The easiest way to create a Sway is to add an existing PowerPoint slide deck. The program takes the images and text and adds dynamic transitions. However, if you build something from scratch, you can add images and videos and group them in various ways. One of the really attractive features is the curated image searches that provide you content in the public domain, so you don't have to worry about copyright. The results are surprisingly robust, which cuts down on the time you must spend on finding images. You can also embed materials like Google Maps or create charts. You can also customize the interface or use one of the default templates and then decide how you want Sway to display its contents. All in all, Sway is a pretty user-friendly and versatile tool. Like many technologies, the strength of Sway can also be its weakness. It's easy to use and to learn, but ease of use comes at a price. You don't have a lot of control over layout. Sway provides you, in fact, with a remix button to reorder your content through chance. That may thrill you or it may appall you. If you do want a lot of control, Sway might not be your tool of choice. You won't be able to control the layout of your text and images and the navigation in the way you can in PowerPoint or desktop publishing programs. You really have to adopt a true Zen attitude towards your work. Another limitation of Sway is Microsoft's need to verify user accounts. You will have to constantly sign in to your school or private account. With the school account, you have too many steps, not exactly putting the end user first in their app design. Sway can be used to create some dynamic learning objects. Here's an example of a lecture that embeds videos, images, and text in a seamless way. It also includes a link to a Zaption video exercise, which allows you to quiz students within a video. You can obviously use your Sway as a launching point to other interesting learning objects. Given how easy it is to create a Sway, you could also create assignments that aren't your just average story problem paragraph. You could also use Sway to highlight your students' work. Imagine a Sway that presents a gallery of student artwork or poetry or field photography. You can imagine all sorts of other uses for Sway, capturing moments from a staff holiday party or campus event, for example. You can easily share information in a dynamic and eye-catching way.